Hey Wesley, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. And thank you to Aguiar Pavers for giving us a green light to send this video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients on your own just by using your website. I'm going to mainly be pointing out three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories I was referring to are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Wesley. It's a great website. You do have content, text content, not the minimum 1500 though. However, overall, it's a good website. The navigation is fairly simple. It's easy to use. Interlinking are great. Typically, you want to see around 1500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, is spamming, is what I'm trying to say. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol is just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam, and who wants that, right? This is your website we're talking about. Let's jump into Arrows here real quick. This is what you have going behind the scenes of your websites. And by the way, this is Arrows. This is a paid tool. You could have this if you like, if you don't mind paying for it. It's a good way to monitor what you have going behind the scenes. Currently, you have over 400 backlinks, referring domains, almost 200. Organic keywords at a 90 and organic traffic 38. So you have 38 people jumping onto your website in a monthly basis. The UR meter 23 and the DR 2.6. Let's talk a little bit about backlinks, which is our second category. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services that you offer, this can actually hurt your website. So you really want to be careful. And the backlink would be the UR meter here. So this gives power to the UR meter. You currently at a 23 with the 400 you currently have. The third and final thing I'd like to go over would be citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services, mainly to create a new avenue for people to reach them. That is pretty much what a citation is. So that would fall under the DR meter here, along with the referring domains, which you have over almost 200. The keywords, this is very important. However, this is what you have going behind the scenes. Let's jump onto one of your competitors, Cedar County Landscaping Inc. They're on the first page. What they have going on the background though, they have over 800 backlinks, over 200 referring domains, organic keywords, they have over 1,000. So on a monthly basis, they're having 377 people approximately jumping onto their website. Their UR 22, their DR 1.8. This is beatable. Just keep in mind this is it's good practice to be at a 1-to-1 ratio with these 2 meters. It'll give you better boosting in the results, in the search results in Google. But this is what they have going. I keep scrolling onto the keywords. This is very important when it comes to ranking. So you currently have 90, you lost 2. They have over 1,000, they lost 8. So with what they currently have, they are having 377 people jumping onto the website. Just imagine those 300, 400, 500, along with other good keywords of people are finding you instead. Well, Wesley, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. Feel free to send me an email or any thoughts, any questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Wesley. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.